This is Inside Talk, and in this video, we'll focus on linear equations. We'll learn what they are, some rules, and then we'll solve a few examples step by step together. First of all, what's a linear equation? A linear equation is just an equation with a variable like x, but it's not squared or anything like that. It's just x raised to the power of 1. Now, when solving, we often move numbers to the other side of the equation, and when we do, we flip the operation. That is, addition becomes subtraction, and the other way around. Multiplication becomes division, and the other way around. Let's look at some examples. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Here, x is being multiplied by 2, and then 3 is added. To isolate x, we always get rid of the number not directly attached to x first. So, we move the positive 3. As we move it, we flip the operation and it becomes negative 3. Now we have 2x is equal to 11 minus 3, which is 8. Here, x is being multiplied by 2. So we can move 2 to the other side. Since it's being multiplied, we'll divide it. So x is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. We can also confirm this. Since x is equal to 4, the equation becomes 2 into 4 plus 3. 2 into 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright, let's look at the next one. Here, x is being multiplied by 5, and 2 is subtracted. Again, we move the constant first, negative 2. It goes to the other side and becomes positive 2. So the equation becomes 5x is equal to 13 plus 2. Since x is being multiplied 5 times, when we move it to the other side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 15 by 5, which is 3. We can confirm this answer by removing the x and making it to 3. So 5 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 13. 5 into 3 is 15. And 15 minus 2 is 13. Let's move on to a slightly different type. This one has x on both sides. To solve this, we need to bring all x terms to one side and all the numbers to the others. We bring the x from the right to the left. It becomes negative x. Two x minus x is just x. Now we have a basic type of equation. When we move positive 3 to the other side, it becomes negative 3, and x is equal to 6. We can verify this answer. 2 into 6 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 9. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 9 is 15. 12 plus 3 is 15, is equal to 15, which makes it true. Here's the next one. This one's a little different. This example has brackets. So for our first step, we need to remove them by expanding. We can multiply 2 into the bracket. This will make it 2x plus 6 is equal to 14. Now we move the constant, which is 6. Positive 6 becomes negative 6 when shifted. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is just 8 by 2, which is 4. Let's verify this answer. 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 14. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So, while solving linear equations, we move the constant first, flip the operation, and solve step by step until x is done. If this helped, consider subscribing. I'll be covering more math topics just like this in simple steps. This is Inside Talk, where math finally makes sense.